Hi everyone, this is Hasib from AHP Software Services Australia. We are a software company which are based in Perth, Australia, and providing web design and corporate portal as well as point of sale solutions since 2015. We started with a highly experienced team of programmers working under one roof to achieve some cutting edge technology challenges having in Perth local market. Soon we started specializing to in the soft point of sale solution and corporate portals. And for the time being, we have many corporate clients to whom we are providing web services, web portal services. Also we are providing data analysis services, data engineering services. AHB Software Services was found in 2015, and we are based in Malaga, Perth, Australia. We are now we are authorized dealers of many very well-known brand and providing hardware also. You can find us on Google with the name AHB Software Services and the Facebook also. I'm going to showcase a POS software, point of sale software, which is Turram POS. You might have seen our other video on this channel, which describe the self-service kiosks and hardware. Today, I'm gonna showcase Turram POS and some of its modules. Turram POS is a software which was initially designed for takeaway and dine-in. It's a cloud-based software. For the takeaway and dine-in, we are mostly providing all the major services like walk-in customer, add items to the cart, place order, or payment via FPOS. We do have a FPOS integration with Linkly or major banks in Australia, but we are open to integrate any other machine you are looking for. The POS software, Turram POS software is a cloud-based software which does have an admin panel, cloud-based admin panel, cloud-based report. Not only you can check the reports, but you can also do the most of the tasks like item management, categories, and some other features on the cloud. It does have a built-in online ordering system, which means if an order is placed online, the restaurant are gonna get that order on the software, on the POS software, and it will print it automatically. You have an option to either accept or reject the order, but it does have auto accept and auto reject order options. Second thing is the QR code ordering, which is very famous nowadays. So we are providing two types of QR code ordering. One is the takeaway QR code ordering, and the other is table-based ordering, which I'm going to show you further. For self-service modules, you can have you can check our other video, which is on the same channel. And we have an online booking for the restaurant, for the dine-in restaurant, where your customer can place a book. You can actually add some booking cost also if you need. Otherwise, it does have a good interface which actually describes all the upcoming bookings and also the customer detail. This is one of the user interface of the takeaway and dining. So it does show deals, it does show the categories, icons, and we are providing four types of food orders. So one is the takeaway, other is the phone order, then table order, delivery order. Delivery is not at the moment is not delivery is not integrated like Uber Eats delivery kind of, but you can still add some uh, delivery orders, and if you can manage to deliver yourself. This is the software. These are some of the interface for delivery order, phone order, and the reports. The reports are built in, and it does have a very good view here, which actually show you number of total sales of that day and the sales of last 7 days. This is an online ordering. This is a cloud admin panel, which is just an idea with a test. All of this is a test data. So it does have a schedule, QR code, takeaway, operators, menu items, modifier, reports, timeline. Timeline is a slideshow for the online ordering, which you can add. This is a scheduling system for online ordering, which means you can actually set up a schedule, and the software and the online, the customer can only place online ordering in this schedule. If you want to, must have to set the status to the accepting orders. And if you are not, you don't want to accept orders, or you're too busy, you can actually put that offline. So following message will be shown to the customers on the website, which is apologies for inconvenience. It does have an auto accept, auto reject between after. If the customer place order, it will either auto accept after 5 seconds and or auto reject after 5 seconds. Currently, we are integrating Stripe. We have integrated Stripe in our portal, which means it works with any currency or any, and also not location specific. You can run it in any of the country. We do provide online. We do provide translations also. This is one of the QR code for table ordering. So you will be printing this table ordering, this QR code on the, once you print and place on the table, the customer can scan and place order. It works as same as online ordering. It does follow the same schedule also. This is a takeaway. If you want to put a takeaway QR code scan on the front of the on the front counter, then this is something which you will print and show. And this is going, the customer will be scanning this QR code, and they can place order them. This was just a glimpse. So now we are gonna move to show you a live demo. For the time being, before going to that, I would like to show you our website. So we have a website, AHB Software Services, which shows our current office. Also does show the services. We are providing POS solution that include POS hardware bundles, POS software, which is we are going to do the demo, software development, e-commerce, website, custom software, Android. These are some of our latest reviews. Pardon me, latest reviews and latest installations, which we have more than 100 installation around Perth and Western Australia. Also, we are serving Melbourne and Sydney. These are basically our specialities in which we're providing web design, web development. We have very good web graphic designers, mobile apps, e-commerce, touch panels. Touch panels are the hardware which we are providing, like this shown in the background. We also provide we also are selling the products online, like for the local vendors. We have this complete list of deals which we are providing. You can see it does have POS systems, weigh scales, printers. Okay, so let's start with the dashboard, which is admin panel. So if I show you an admin panel, this is what it is going to show if you have the access. So basically, you have the access to any kind, all of the reports. So you can take a report of 1 year, or this is a dashboard. So it is actually showing you category wise how many items were sold between this day. As I shown in the presentation, it is online ordering setting. So it does have accepting order, not accepting order, your message. If you're not accepting orders, auto accept and auto reject, which means every order will be accepted or rejected after 5 seconds. This is a schedule. It can be 12 or 24 hours, or it can be 5 hours, depending upon your requirement. QR code Dine-in. Again, this is a tables. So we basically provide a long list of tables. If you have 100 tables, you can add 100 tables, and each table will have a unique QR code. You can print all of them in a A4 or even you can print on a like 80 printer like this one, the small one. The thermal printer which you normally get with the with the with the POS system, or you can print on a A4 also, or you can export to the PDF. Next one is QR code takeaway. Is the same thing as QR code, but it's a takeaway. So remember that this is a dine-in QR code, which means customer have to pay first when they scan the code for that table. So what we normally do is we actually take uh, we are sorry, apologies. We actually take the username or the name of the person only and the number. So I'm going to show you later on how the online ordering looks like. You can add operators. The operators are the people who are going to use the software, but this admin panel is only accessible to the admin panel. There is a category section, which means you can define all category, and this is the category. They have a specific function where you can actually set up a sequence. So this sequence is going to follow on the online ordering. You can hide any category from online, like it will not appear, not its items also. So these are some of the features. If you want to sort out the if you want to sort your categories and items according to the category on on online ordering only. Menu items, you can add menu items, you can edit menu items from online also. All you have to do is just do the changes from here, and um, on the software, all you have to do is just restart the software. If I just give you an idea, so if, for example, if you're adding new item, you can add product code, product name, description, ingredients. It does have a modifier, so you can choose the modifier, and it does give you an idea. You can assign the modifiers to the item. It does have a different prices for POS and different for online ordering, which means these prices, this price will show up on the online ordering, but this price will show up on POS system. You can apply discount also. Open price is the open price item. It will only apply on the POS system. You can actually add a text here. For the time being, we have only added GST or VAT. Then you can assign the printer. So it means if you assign a printer to an item, it will be printed in the individual printer. You can add the allergy icons, allergy details. This is the item picture and also the categories. You can assign one item to the multiple categories. Next thing is a modifier list, and modifier list is as simple as a pop-up. When you click on an item, it will show a pop-up. So let's say we have this modifier. So it does have this kind of a interface where you can actually add minimum 1, maximum 9, or whatever. You can add 0 also. This is the amount of options, number of options which user have to choose when the pop-up appears. I'm going to show you later. This is the sequence of modifiers. Also, you can actually edit. If you edit, you can apply the colors, any color you want, like this one. And price of if it is 0, or so it could be 0, or it could be any like this one. Now, in this way, you can add as many modifiers as you want. Report section, currently we have sales report, item wise, transaction, GST, and abandoned cart. Abandoned cart only work for online ordering. Sales report is pretty straightforward, and it does give you an idea of what is the total sales today. So let's say this is the sales today for 11/21. So sales report, total transaction, bank total. It also do show the refunds here. So cash, of course, online, it gives you a complete idea. You can select the operator. So it does show an operator-wise report, which means it does show if there are multiple operators operating the system, then you can actually find out who did this sale and who did the transaction. Item-wise sales report is the next thing. which just detail give you detail of all items sold. This is an old version, so it does show some zero value, which has been removed already. So it will only show the items which are being sold. Third is a transaction report. Transaction report is a report which gives you details of every transaction here. So in the latest version, it is showing the cash, either it is a cash paid or a POS paid. The next one is GST report. GST report is simple. It does show how much GST has been collected. So abandoned cart. If a customer goes online and they add item to the cart and then they abandon the cart or cancel or clear it, it is going to show here. This is just to give you an idea that how many orders are being abandoned before placing actually order. It gives you an idea also the trend. People are what if there's something wrong with the system, or if the customer just trying to play with the online ordering. Then this is one interface which can give you a more idea that. And based on this, you can actually make a report and your strategies to make sure you have a less abundant cards. Timeline is basically applied to the online ordering also only. So you can add as many pictures as you want and it will appear as a carousel on the online ordering. We have some settings like text setting. You can define the text. For the time being, it is only GST. Then we have allergy items. You can add as many allergy items as you want. It could be anything. Like here it's allergy name and then description. Third thing is a printer. You can define printers. As many printers you want. You have a kitchen coffee, you have a bar coffee, dessert coffee. So you can define that. So this is the basic idea of how the online ordering works and what does it show. In the next, I would like to show you some how our online ordering actually works. So this is a test restaurant we have. So in the test restaurant, it comes like this. So this is something which carousel which appears on the top, and it could be you can add more items. So if it starts scrolling, these are the categories. You can arrange these categories, and then, for example, you want to add any item, all you have to do is click on item. Like for example, this one, the chicken pizza, and it does show all the values like this. Customer can choose anything, and then they can add this to the add to cart. If you add this to the cart, you can clear the cart or you can press order now. If I press order now we are moved to this screen, which is a payment screen, sorry, cart screen. You have two options. Select it. It's a future ordering. Any your customer can place order in the future also, and the time. So this time is according to the schedule which I have shown you in this schedule here. So this is all coming from here, and it strictly follows this timeline. Apologies, strictly follow the schedule. So for example, if a customer, so this is an online ordering, which is the simplest online ordering. We don't want customer to make an account. If you really want that, it is already built in. So you have to name, email address, phone, and order instructions. And with that, you can actually go moving onward. With this, all you have to do is choose date and time. Next thing is delivery. This delivery here is, let's say, Malaga. This is our office address, and we have a delivery which is area based. Like, so you actually define all the suburbs or the sections, and once each have a different delivery fees. If you want to add a delivery fee, this is how it goes. Some has more delivery fees, some have less. And once you have that, you can actually choose. Once you proceed and place order, so delivery, you can define the delivery charge as per the suburb and as per the section. This next thing is place order, and if you place order now, it is going to show you. If you place order, place order, you can actually, you will see a Stripe payment page. It does show all the details. So your customer can pay with the card, and once it is done, then it does show a, um, a thank you page. Once the order is placed, the order will appear on the POS software, and it will either auto accept it or auto reject it, whatever your settings are, and then it will be printed. Now, the same works for the QR code also. If you have a QR code ordering, the only difference is uh, you are actually it does show the table number. Also, it does show the name. So if you are doing a table wise or table ordering, it will only show the table name and table number and the name. If it is takeaway, then all user have to enter, customer have to enter the name. So this is quite user friendly and simple for many kind of a user. Some people are not very good enough with creating accounts and like that. So we made it very simple, sir. All you have to do is just enter your name and address if you want, or your pickup time, or your mobile number. So you can place order without making an account on these portals. This is a basic idea how our online ordering is working. Uh, and now I'm going to show you some actual software. So the actual software we have is Turram POS, which is an online or which is a software which I have shown you some pictures in the start of this video. This is a Turram POS software, and it does have this is a server key which is a license key. Because this is a cloud, so every terminal has a license key, and you have an email ID and password. I'm gonna set this up, and then I'm gonna show you in the detail of the software in the next video. So in this video, we just give some introduction to the company and the online ordering portals and details. Also, I give you an idea how the admin panel actually works. In the next, I'm going to show you the software in detail and also all the features available in the software. Thank you very much for listening to me. And if you have any questions, just feel free to send an email at info@AHB Software Services. If you really want to, uh, if you really want, you can say a swift reply, then please visit our Facebook page and just send us a message there, and we will be someone from our team will contact you and reply you, and they can also answer all your questions. Our Facebook page is www.facebook.com/AHP software services. Um, and we do have a WhatsApp, but it's not possible to give a WhatsApp number directly here. So once you are online, once you contact on Facebook, then we can provide you a WhatsApp for a direct communication. Our website is www.ahpsoftwareservices.com, which I have already shown. Thank you very much for this part, and please go to our channel and check the second part also. Have a good day. Thank you very much for listening. Software service.